In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create this cutout effect in your images using Canva. To start, just go to your Canva homepage and click on Create and choose any format that you need or want to create this. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose presentation so you can see it better. What you need to do now to create this scrapbook aesthetic cutout is you need an image you want to work on. You can upload your own by clicking on Uploads, or you can go to Elements and search for an image. I'm going to search here something that I have already used recently, so it's quicker. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go to Apps, search for Choppy Crop. You see this one here. You click on it. Now, don't worry, you'll see this. This can be confusing. You can already use some forms or some shapes that are pre-made in the Choppy Crop Pro. But for creating the effect we want in this kind of scrapbook aesthetic look, you don't need to go pro for that. So with the free version, you're good, okay? So now we're going to click here on the image you want to crop, and then you click on Start Cropping. For that to work, you'll have to click on the image, and you will see it creates a kind of square. You just click again, and this is going to be like as if you're cutting the image with a scissor. You see, it looks more like hand cut kind of thing, like really for scrapbooks or for this aesthetic look, some modern social media posts, some other designs you want to add an image like this. You see, just keep cropping, just keep like cutting the image the way you want. Don't try to be perfect here. That's actually the aesthetic should be handmade cutout, okay? So you just have to connect the last dot to the first one. So then the image is going to appear for you like that. And if you like it, you click on Apply Crop, and that's it. And you can add this to your designs. Let me do this with another image so you see it's super easy to be done. Let me take this one here and let's crop around this. Audio tape, just go now to Apps. If you already typed it, that's over there. You see right above. And just click on it, select the image and click on Start Cropping. And let's go again. Let's make our cutout. You see, just have to click whatever you want like this to have this cutout look. Don't worry to be perfect. You see, this is the last one, so I'm going to connect to the first, and that's it. Apply crop. You see, it's super simple. So I hope that this is helpful for you to create these modern aesthetic cutouts for your designs. Let me know in the comments if you tested it and how it went for you. See you in the next video.